Have you seen that video going around with Anderson Cooper and Dr. Sanjay Gupta talking about a honey recipe that can supposedly reverse Alzheimer's? It looks super real, right? Like something that aired on CNN. They even throw in Bruce Willis's name, claiming he used the recipe and got better. Sounds like a medical miracle, but unfortunately, it's a total scam. This video is not from CNN. Anderson Cooper didn't report on it, and Dr. Sanjay Gupta never endorsed any honey supplement to cure Alzheimer's. It's all fake, created using something called deepfake AI. If you're not familiar, deepfakes are computer-generated videos that look incredibly real. They can copy someone's face, voice, even the way they move, and make it look like they're saying things they never said. In this fake video, they used deepfake tech to make it look like Anderson Cooper was talking about a miracle honey cure. Then they edited in a fake interview with Dr. Sanjay Gupta, making it seem like he discovered this secret brain-boosting recipe. And then, just to add more emotion, they bring up Bruce Willis and claim he's used this supplement to reverse his dementia. That part really makes people stop and listen, especially if they have a loved one dealing with memory loss. But none of it is real. Dr. Sanjay Gupta himself has come out and said these videos are fake. He's not behind any of these supplements, and he's definitely not selling anything online. These scammers are just using his name, face, and voice to trick people, and that's what makes this scam so dangerous. It's not just a random ad, it looks like a trusted news report. It feels real. Sadly, scams like this work because they target people who are vulnerable. Older adults, families who are worried about Alzheimer's or dementia, they want hope. They want something that can help. And when they see a trusted doctor or news anchor talking about a natural cure, it feels like the answer they've been waiting for. But instead of getting help, they get tricked into spending money on a useless product. Some people spend hundreds of dollars, and they don't just lose money, they lose time, trust, and sometimes even hope. Let's be clear, there is no honey-based supplement that can reverse Alzheimer's. If something like that existed, it would be all over the real news, not hidden in a sketchy online video. And no real medical organization, not the Mayo Clinic, not the FDA, not Harvard, has ever confirmed that any supplement can reverse dementia. It's just not true. What these scams usually do is get you to click on a link. Once you're on the website, they try to rush you into buying the product, with countdown timers, messages like, only 3 bottles left, and buy now or miss out forever. Classic pressure tactics. Then you're asked to give your credit card details, and before you know it, you're subscribed to monthly shipments you never asked for. Sometimes people can't even cancel because the company disappears or never responds. So what can you do? First, don't trust any medical claim that sounds too good to be true, especially if it's coming from a video ad. Always cross-check it with trusted sources like the Mayo Clinic, WebMD, or government health websites. And if you're unsure, talk to a real doctor, not someone pretending to be one in a video. If this video helped you in any way, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and turn on the bell so you don't miss future scam alerts.